In the previous video, you learned how to add variables to objects in Storyline. In this video, we'll guide you on using layers for content and adding triggers. Firstly, click New Slide to insert a slide. Use layers for your content. Next, insert text boxes throughout your course and link them to variables that change with languages. Add triggers to the base layer as Show Layer English. When the timeline starts on this slide, if the language equals yin, and similarly for Francais, if the language equals FR. Preview the entire project. For example, if you select English, it will show the content in English, and if you select Francais, it will show in Francais. This varies significantly between languages. And there you have it, a multilingual wrapper and articulate storyline that enhances user accessibility across languages. Thanks for watching.